and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Suchitra Rajkumari. First, the headlines. After prolonged dispute, Manipur People's Party MPP holds general body meeting to elect new party president. Manipur police arrest 3 vehicle lifters. Efforts underway to recover stolen vehicles. And Manipur's Bitan Laikhuram achieves India's first ever fastest Ironman title in triathlon at Ironman Pro Series held in Cairns, Queensland, Australia. And other news in detail. General body meeting and president's election of Manipur's oldest regional party, Manipur People's Party MPP, was held today after long pendency. The general body meeting cum election for new office bearers was held at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. Speaking on the sidelines, General Conference Management Committee MPP convener Dr. K. Muktasana asserted that the election was held after getting due permission from High Court of Manipur. Further explaining that the election for choosing president has been deferred from long time owing to a reason of conflict within the political party, he asserted that High Court of Manipur passed an order to conduct president's election by assigning the responsibility of returning officer to chief election officer, which the CEO has subsequently transferred the matter to Register Society of Manipur as per the rules under Election Commission of India. Muktasana added that the president's election was held today after the Register Society of Manipur gave its due consent. The General Conference Management Committee convener also informed that several agendas, including contesting in the upcoming assembly election and ongoing crisis in the state, will be discussed in length during the general body meeting of the political party.
Matam khara case amakak loisandabadagi ekoi full-fledged presidency kanmangamdaduna lakpani hogiba December ki tang 19 phaugi manungda full-fledged presidency khalloina honorable high court na directive suma pibire madada pallibasi chief electoral officer Manipur da returning officer ki thabak se tawraga pangtho haibani adu chief electoral officer Manipur na madu ECI instruction amagi matungina pangtho ngamaro ena review lakpadagi amu January ki tang 23 da honorable high court na directive amada register of societies Manipur na February ki tang 2025 sibawi manungda full-fledged president pangtho oida directives amaga pirai madusu ekoi register of societies na mokoisu ekoi political party oibnina mokoi register body nati na pangtho ngamaro hairak padagi ekoi me ki tang 19 da honorable high court na directives mo pibirai maduda haisi ekoi state returning officer Manipur People's Party oina lejariba SRO sigi makada ekoi full-fledged election si conduct tawroina sinabirak padagi ngasi conference pangkopni ngasi thoram asi maru ina general conference party sigi oiba general body tragana general conference haiba si pangkop chagani han boda full president election ji pangkop kadawani adina Manipur People's Party oina leramba court leramba che na khojima oina loisalo matinga haneki full president ji pangkop chagada pai pusing thambiramba khungul liklam duda mhana chatpa ngamdina Manipur ge lengak londa saruk yaba ngamnana ba thauna amusung ting pudokna miyam gi damka pangal laina thengnagani haiwa famsi thamjari.
Manipur police, in its ongoing drive against motor vehicle-related crimes, arrested 3 vehicle lifters from Wahing Laikai area under City Police Station in Imphal West District. The arrested individuals have been identified as Syed Farish, 19 years old, a resident of Mayang Imphal Khelakhong Mayai Laikai, Muhammad Shahidur Rahman, 28, and Jesam Musarraf, 22, both residents of Irong Makha Laikai in Imphal West District. According to police sources, the trio was apprehended during a targeted operation aimed at curbing rising incidents of vehicle theft in the region. Investigations are ongoing and efforts are underway to trace and recover the vehicles stolen by the accused. Security forces continued their intensified search operations and area domination drives across fringe and vulnerable areas of Chandel district, resulting in recovery of significant cache of arms and ammunitions. During the operation, security personnel recovered 4 12-bore factory-made rifles, 6 12-bore country-made rifles, 2 muzzle-loaded rifles, 5 Pompies locally made firearms, 5 Pompey shells, 4 improvised explosive devices, IEDs, and 4 hand grenades. On the other hand, security forces have arrested 2 active cadres of proscribed militant outfit, Pripak Pro, in separate operations carried out in Imphal West and Thoubal districts of Manipur. In the first operation, an active male cadre identified as Laishram Romesh Maitai alias Punsiba, 39 years of age, a resident of Napat Mayai Laikai in Bisnupur district, was apprehended from Nagamapal area under Imphal Police Station, Imphal West. During the search, security forces recovered 1 mobile phone, a cash amount of 290 rupees, and an Aadhaar card from his possession. In a separate operation, a woman another active cadre of the group was arrested from Salungpham Bazaar area under Hairok Police Station in Thoubal district. The arrested individual has been identified as Maibam Sania alias Mayaini, 19 years of age, a resident of Salungpham Bazaar. From her possession, security forces recovered 1 mobile phone along with 1 SIM card. Manipur's Bitan Lai Khuram has achieved the India's fastest Ironman title in the Pro Series triathlon held on July 15 at Cairns, Queensland, Australia. Bitan Lai Khuram of Kuongbo Bazar Lai Khuram Laikai received a warm welcome from his family and members of Welfare of the Youth, Liberal and Conduct Organization WYLCO upon his return to Imphal International Airport today. Later, locals and WYLCO members encouraged the athlete by organizing a reception program at the office of the local club. Speaking at the function, Bitan informed that he participated the Pro Series Triathlon at Australia under the sponsorship of Maharashtra's Mini Orange Software Company. He added that he achieved the title of India's fastest Ironman by breaking the previous records set by Indians in the triathlon event by completing 3.8 kilometers in swimming, 180 kilometers in cycling, and 42.2 kilometers in a full marathon race in 9 hours, 45 minutes, and 59 seconds.
aina japadi 70.3 Ironman japane half the soibadagi full Ironman registration tawlem badagi aije full sanaba taagibne aina tawgiba training jina mu ai half the tawgibne aduga sanabjina full da tawbone full je kilometer mari roigadawa 180 kilometer cycle thawgadaba aduga running dana 42 kilometer full marathon jengadawa hanagi timing pi bagai je 10 hour matak loi jainaba india ge hana pi gi baga timing ge je adu aina pi jina 9 hour 53 pirakpanina aina paide fastest oiba Ironman adu oire india gi Hoji, I Mexico tamu November tamu lai, adu ibatung da Germany tamu March tamu lai 2026 ke full Ironman adu so I like I sigi mai pakpa ngamba ojage adu ko all India ki oina mai pakpa ngamba propose ojage.
Several CSOs and women organizations have vowed to strive towards building peaceful coexistence among various communities and protect the territorial integrity of the state in front of Kangla Uttara Mamang today. During the event organized by Peace Committee Manipur PCM, members of Mampil, Machak, Phubala Apunba Mairapai Bilup, Saiton Mairapai Bilup, Thamna Pokpi, Sanasabi Kumbi, Phogakchau Ikai Kumbi, and Thoubal Mairapai Bilup, among other organizations, attended the event. Speaking on the sidelines, PCM advisor R.K. Meghen emphasized the immense role being taken by women folk on social issues. He further praised the CSOs and women folk for taking up the decisive step while expressing belief that it will instill a renewed hope in the society.
ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯄꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯂꯤꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯚꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ.
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal observed Van Mahotsav 2025 with a large-scale tree plantation drive under the theme Ek Podha Maa Ke Naam 2.0, paying a tribute to mothers through meaningful environmental action. Faculty members, heads of departments, staff, personnel from 86 CRPF Battalion, Lampel, and representatives from CRED and MSS units of RIMS participated in the event held at Nursing College Hostel Complex. Over 200 saplings were planted to promote environmental sustainability, enhance green cover, and improve air quality. The event was graced by Director of RIMS Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma in the presence of Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Deputy Director Administration, Principal of College of Nursing, Chief Accounts Officer cum Financial Advisor, and Nodal Officer of SAP 2024-25 Kayakalp. Addressing the gathering, Professor G. Sunil Sharma emphasized the importance of collective responsibility in environmental conservation and highlighted emotional and symbolic significance of planting a tree in honor of one's mother. He noted that such gestures will promote both environmental consciousness and personal connection to nature. Now, as part of the Van Mahotsav, Range Officer, Kakching Range, under the aegis of Thaubal Forest Division, conducted a tree plantation drive at Sarik Konjin and its surrounding areas under the jurisdiction of Wangu Beat Office. During the tree plantation drive carried out on the theme Plant Trees, Save Trees, Lend a Hand to Make Our Manipur Greener, Range Officer Kakching Range Huidrom Sundar emphasized the importance of the cooperation of nearby localities in nurturing the tree saplings. He expressed hope that the initiative will go a long way in rejuvenating the spring sheds in the hill range besides embellishing the area. Wangu Beat Officer L. Ramananda, Waikong Beat Officer N. Gojin, Palel Beat Officer N. Bikramjit, members of JFMC, VLF, and locals attended the program. As part of Fit India campaign, Nainasang Club Tera Lokrakpam Laikai, under the aegis of Sports Authority of India, SAI, STC Kuman Lampak, organized Sunday on Cycle event today to promote fitness and environmental awareness. The cycling rally was flagged off from Nainasang Club by Commandant of Group Center CRPF Lanjing and renowned Olympian N. Kunjarani Devi. Participants followed a route that passed through Uripok, front of Kangla, Kaisampat, Kwakaithel, Tera Market, and converged at the club premises. The cycling rally aimed to spread the message that cycling helps in maintaining physical health while also contributing to cleaner environment by reducing littering and minimizing vehicular pollution. It's now time for a short break. We'll be right back.
Haksang Panatamgi Hairabadi, Iram the Masimakta de Laiba, Kwaidagi Paraba Hospital Singi Manunda Ama Oriba, Babina Hospital Lazari.
Mapamasida, Tazabayaraba Amadi, Seliam Changdana, Specialty Kunhen Badana, Lying Bagi Kudong Chaba Pizari.
Pediatrics, Cardiology, Cosmetic Surgery Amadi, Specialty Makal Maka Kayada, Aikogi Specialist Singna, Marik Chumna, Kawai Haksang Yauna Lying Zari.
Aduna, State Wangmada Muk Karigi Chatlugani, Aikogi Manipur Suhogikti, Awang Bataki, Health health care fanglabada.
Matam manghanbiraganu, sel hena tinghanbiraganu, aikogi specialist singdagi malemgi apaba thaki layeng patata yumpham oiba service lobiyu.
Babina Hospital, where hope meets compassion.
Aku pamarol gidamak Babina Hospital, Sajiwa Jail Road, Kabai Soy Imphal Istaleng Sinbirau.
Natraga, aikogi phone number 6909390666 ta call tawbirau.
Welcome back. As part of the observance of World Hypertension Day 2025, NCD-Cell District Health Society Thoubal today organized a cyclothon on the theme Measure Your Blood Pressure Accurately, Control It, Live Longer. The cyclothon was flagged off by NCD-Cell Thoubal District Nodal Officer Dr. M. Bikramjit and District Program Manager Thoubal C.H. Basanta from Thoubal and concluded at CMO Office Complex, Thoubal, after reaching Khongjom War Memorial Complex. While giving a health talk during the event, Dr. M. Bikramjit raised concern that people are increasingly becoming more susceptible to hypertension irrespective of age. He further stressed on the importance of engaging in regular physical activity in managing hypertension. Moving on to national news. Government of India has denied issuing any recent legal directive to block the official X, formerly Twitter, handle of international news agency Reuters after the account appeared inaccessible to users in India with a message citing a legal demand. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology clarified that no fresh order was issued to restrict Reuters' account and termed the move a possible error by the microblogging platform X. According to sources quoted by news agency PTI, an earlier order dated May 7 was issued during Operation Sindoor but never intended to be enforced. X is believed to have mistakenly acted on the past order, leading to the current restriction. Despite the block on Reuters' main global handle and Reuters World, other affiliated accounts such as Reuters Tech News, Reuters Asia, and Reuters Fact Check remain accessible in India. The government has since reached out to X, seeking both an explanation and immediate restoration of the blocked accounts. On its help page, X states that content or accounts may be withheld in a country in response to a valid legal demand, including court orders or compliance with local laws. However, no details of the May 7 order have been publicly disclosed. International news. Rescue operations intensified Saturday across central Texas as authorities searched for survivors following a historic flash flood that killed at least 51 people, including 15 children and several missing. Among the missing are 27 girls from Camp Mystic, a Christian summer camp in Kerr County, who have not been seen since a wall of water struck before dawn on Friday. The Guadalupe River rose a staggering 26 feet in just 45 minutes, transforming into a deadly torrent that swept away vehicles, homes, and composite campsites. Most of the confirmed fatalities were recovered from the area surrounding Camp Mystic. Helicopters, boats, and drones are being deployed to reach those stranded in trees or trapped in isolated camps cut off by washed-out roads. Heavy rainfall continued Saturday, complicating the search and prompting flash floods warnings across the region, including communities outside San Antonio. The popular hill country region, dotted with youth camps and vacation homes, was especially crowded due to the 4th of July holiday, making it difficult for officials to determine the full number of missing persons. Meanwhile, state and local authorities are facing scrutiny over whether residents and camp operators received sufficient warning ahead of the deluge. The area has long been considered vulnerable to flash floods, raising questions about preparedness and early alert system. Emergency crews remain hopeful but realistic as the search continues. Moving on to sports. Manipur Adventure and allied Sports Institute, MASI, the lone state-recognized institute dedicated to promoting adventure and allied sports in Manipur, conducted its general body meeting and election of office bearers for the term 2025 to 2028 today. In a press note issued by MASI Secretary T.H. Tomba, the newly elected office bearers are Laisang Them Kunjakeshwar as new president of the institute, Khairakpam Birjit and Moirangthem Tarun Kumar elected as vice presidents, while Longjam Chittaranjan elected as secretary. Along with them, 7 other members were also elected for various positions within the institute during the meeting. The release added that the newly elected office bearers will officially assume their responsibilities starting July 20. Thingnam Rabikanta from Kakching Khunau has made Manipur and the nation proud by securing gold medal for India at the South Asian Karate Championship 2025 held at Sugathada Indoor Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka, which commenced on July 3rd. Representing the Indian karate team, T.H. Rabikanta clinched the gold medal in the senior men's 50 kg Kumite category by defeating his opponent from Bangladesh in a hand-fought final. The bronze medal in the same event went to athletes from host Sri Lanka and Nepal. Rabikanta, who represents SSCB, has also won a bronze medal at the Thailand Open Karate Championship 2025 earlier this year. Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association Makka General Secretary M. Bankim congratulated T.H. Rabikanta on his outstanding performance and dedication while representing India. T.H. Rabikanta is the son of T.H. Ibo Chauba and T.H. Memcha of Kakching Khunau. The first state-level Sepak Takraw Social Awareness Trophy 2025 kicked off today at Uchekon Youth Athletic Club ground, organized under the aegis of All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association. The tournament is jointly hosted by Kanglei Yelho Chaingak and Uchekon Youth Athletic Club and will continue till July 9. Mini boys, sub-junior boys and girls, and junior boys and girls categories will compete in regu events during the trophy. In his inaugural speech, Thongju MLA Thongam Biswajit stressed the importance of collective efforts in shaping healthy and talented youth for a stronger future. He noted that players from a small state like Manipur are essential contributors to national and international sports, often bringing glory to the country. On the opening day, junior boys regu match was played between PUC A Kairang and Yawa A Singjamai.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯝꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯎꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯛꯂꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ
Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Center and state government collaborate on comprehensive 3-phase plan to facilitate safe return of internally displaced persons to their homes, asserts Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar. Manipur police arrest 3 vehicle lifters. Efforts underway to recover stolen vehicles. And Manipur's Bitan Laikhuram achieves India's first ever fastest Ironman title in triathlon at Ironman Pro Series held in Cairns, Queensland, Australia. That is all the news we have for now. Keep watching SKTV News.